Yes, question.
Could you comment on two things? First, what is the current situation in Africa in terms of the availability of antiretroviral drugs? And then
Did everyone hear that? Could you speak a little bit into the microphone, I think?
Okay. So
Great.
I'm wondering what the current situation is in Africa with regard to drugs to treat people with HIV. And then secondly, I'm wondering about the development of the vaccine, which of course people have been trying to do for many years. Are people still trying to do that, or have people just given up?
No. Never give up. The first question, I mean, regarding the access to antiretroviral treatment in Africa, or let's say in resource-limited setting in general, we have now 13 million of people on antiretroviral treatment. According to WHO and to the new recommendation to treat earlier, we need to treat 26 million of people. So we still have to make progress. There are differences between countries in Africa, but also in other parts of the world. There are countries which are doing very well, and some of the countries have 80%, 80 coverage by antiretroviral treatment, which is really wonderful. It's the case, for example, in Botswana. It's a case also, I'm always proud to say that Cambodia has more than 80% of people that need to be on treatment who are on treatment. And if I'm mentioning Cambodia, Botswana, it's a quite rich African country. Cambodia is really a very, very poor country. So it's showing you that political willingness, it's really one critical issue. Secondly, Cambodia will not have been able to treat more than 80% of people if it was not the international effort. They have been supported by the Global Fund. Most of the patients that receive antiretroviral treatment in Cambodia are what we say in the country Global Fund patients. So it's a reason why we really have to continue the effort at the international level. The second question was regarding vaccine. Of course, we should not give up. It has been, in my opinion, some progresses during the last 5 years regarding vaccine research. Now the discovery of very potent and broadly neutralizing antibodies is certainly a very important issue. The data regarding some vaccine candidates are interesting and promising. So it seems to me that research and vaccine is moving in the right direction, in a sense that it's really based on rational, scientific rationale, more than in the past. In the past, it was mostly empiric, most of the research and vaccine. Today, of course, it's always some empirism in vaccine research, and this is nice. But it's nice also to have some rationale. And it seems to me that now we also have some rationale in vaccine research. So I'm more optimistic than I was 5 years ago.
Okay.
But it will take time, because we still do not know.
It will take time. That's our theme.
Because we still do not know which kind of response we need to induce to protect, in my opinion.